Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you would format a table of contents. Keep in mind that this is just an example. Your actual assignment will be a little bit different, but the basic formatting is going to be the same. So with your table of contents, what we're going to do, of course, is to always start by pressing enter 5 times from the top. We're going to type in the word contents in all caps. We would also change this to 14 points, bold, and we would center it. After that, we would press enter twice. Make sure you turn on your left alignment and change that back to 12-point font. So before you type your actual table of contents, there's a few things you'll need to do. We're going to have to create a left tab stop, kind of in the same process that we do for your modified block style letters. But this time we're going to also create a right tab stop with what's called dot leaders. So what I'm going to do is to go up to my paragraph group, I'll click on my paragraph settings dialog box launcher. On the bottom left, I'll click on tabs. So the first tab position is going to be 0.5. That's going to be a left tab stop. I'll click my set button. And then I need to create a second one. This is going to be 6.5. My alignment is going to be right. And then I need to select the second option, which is the dot leaders. I'll click on set, and then I'll click my OK button. The next thing that I need to do is to make sure that I am back at 12-point font size. Make sure your bold is off. When we start typing, and this is just an example, this is going to be the same thing that you can see in the reference manual example. Okay, so I would type in all caps the first side heading. I'm not going to press space or enter. Instead, I'm going to press my tab key. You'll notice that because I had created that 6.5-inch right tab stop, that I get these automatic dot leaders. Don't get confused, these are not periods. This is a dot leader all the way over to my right margin. I'm then going to type in the page number. Let's say that the heading, Our Computer Society, is on page 2. I'll just type in the number 2. I'll press enter 2 times. And then if I had another side heading, I would type that in here. How computers work. Again, make sure that you don't unnecessarily press your space bar or your enter key. You're going to hit your tab key. And if this side heading was on page 5, I would press or type in my 5. If we had paragraph headings, and so we're going to have paragraph headings in our reports this week, as you've seen. Paragraph headings will need to be indented. So I'm going to press my enter key 2 times after page 5. I'm going to press tab 1 time, and then I'm going to type in any side headings that I may have, starting in this case or example, I have input. I'll press my tab key, type 5, and for paragraph headings, when we format them in your table of contents, we only press enter 1 time. So I'll press enter once. That brings me to the line below. I'll press tab so that I am right below my input. And let's say that processing was another paragraph heading. Notice that even though they're paragraph headings, if they were typed out in a report, they might have a period after them. We do not include the period for the paragraph headings in the contents. We're just going to hit tab 1 more time, enter the page number that paragraph heading was on, and then type in any other paragraph headings that we may have. Okay, and again, you are not pressing your period key a bunch of times. You should have created both that 1/2 inch left tab stop and that 6.5 inch right tab stop with dot leaders. Okay, and let's say that output was our last paragraph heading. After your last paragraph heading, you'll press enter 2 times, and then you can continue typing the next side heading. And make sure that your side headings are in order. And so let's say that using computer software was after the How Computers Work side heading. That was on page 14. Let's say that there were some paragraph headings in the Using Computer Software section. I'll press enter twice. I'm going to tab 1 time, and then I'll type in the first paragraph heading that, let's say, was word processing. I'll press tab and continue typing. And notice again, I'm just typing the paragraph headings that might have appeared, pressing tab, typing in the page numbers. After my last paragraph heading here, I have another subheading or side heading, so I'm going to press enter twice and continue typing. So let's say that I have Management Information Systems as another paragraph heading on page 25. I also may have another paragraph heading here. Right, and now I'm on the last one. Let's say that our bibliography was on page 41. I'm going to end it here. I'm not going to press my enter key or my tab key or any other key unnecessarily. This is just how you would format your table of contents. So again, 5 enters from the top. Contents should be 14-point bold and centered. You would double space between side headings in your report. Single space for any paragraph headings that you might have. But what's more important is that you do apply your dot leaders in the proper order. And so in this week's Llama Ku lesson, in the learning materials, it does tell you step by step what to do, such as pressing enter 5 times, typing in contents, and adjusting the font size. After doing that, you would press enter twice, and then you would have to do your dot leaders. Okay, and so that's how you format your table of contents.